Good morning, class 10th. Today is in mid school Nagina for geography. I brought for you the solution of this part 30 marks which I given you. Question number 1 related to Toposheet. I hope you all have studied the extract of the survey map of India. Sheet number 45D by 7, easting 91 to 01 and northing 73 to 83. And this sheet is given in Father Thomas book, which was provided to you for the Thomas TOCMI book. I hope all have seen that. If you have not seen and you have not done, now you can rectify your mistakes and try to repent your work what you have left, and you have to collect what are the solution here now. Okay. Question was there, 6-figure grid reference for spot height 542 template Joel, then mean by the term RF. What is the total area of the given map extract in kilometers? We have then calculate the distance in kilometer along the car track using twine. Linking Joel in the grid is square 9282 to Erniwada in the grid 9481. What is the direction of the main river given in the map extract? On which bank of the main river is the village Chekla situated? So all this we have told you. Now, what is the main form of irrigation in the southeast area of the map? Then there were many other questions like this. Give a reason why a stream in the grid is square 9478. Do not just join the main river, join a river. Identify the landform shown by the contour in the grid square 9473. What does 4R written against the blue dot in the grid square 9973? All represented. So all this I have given you and I told you to do it. I hope you have done. If you have done, please open your answers and check. And I'll tell you how I have solved. So I have taken this help from this sheet. It's given in your topographical map book. The sheet is given as you see. There are given easting 91 to 01 and northings are given from 83 to 93. Okay. So class 10th, standard 10th, listen carefully. Here is the solution. Topo sheet of 45D by 7, easting 91 to 01, northing 72 to 83. I have taken help from this book, that is ICSE Topographical Map Reading and Map Location book based on ICSE syllabus by Dr. Father Thomas and TOCMI. So after using that, we have understood, keeping on eye on page number 26, page number 56 and page number 38. We have these two topographical maps and 6-figure grid reference for the spot, height and temple we have here 976826, 925827. Then it was asked about the second question, the term RF. What do you mean by RF? RF stands for representative fraction. It is defined as the ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding unit on the ground. Then we have been asked to calculate the complete area of the topo sheet. Observing the topo sheet, we found that there are 10 into 10, that is 100 squares are there, or 100 square grids are there, where each grid represent 1 into 1, that is side to side 1 square kilometer area. So total area given of the map extract will be 10 kilometer, because on the ground here one grid is of 2 centimeter, and you see 10 kilometers being shown by 10 grids which are on the top to bottom, and then left to right also 10 kilometer is there. When we will measure, that is 100 kilometers square, like this we got. If you have doubt, you can ask in comment box. Then we have next question. It was asked, measure the calculate with the help of twine or with the help of thread. You can say twine is thread here. We have to calculate the distance between two along the car track. Okay, so Erniwada, distance between Joel and Erniwada through car track. How I found? First of all, I have taken measurement. I have taken the help of a twine 4 centimeter, and I got this length 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter approximately after going through keeping my hand step by step in a very a careful manner I have done this, and using the scale of the given map is given below down. You have seen the topo sheet. On the topo map you will see that is given 2 centimeters shows here 1 kilometer. After keeping your scale and the scale which is shown below, it will show you that 2 centimeters showing 1 kilometer. So what I got on the twine, I put one dot and not, and then I put one blue dot and I started the measuring. After completing my measurement, again I put my blue dot and then I put the thread on the scale which is given below in the map sheet. Then I found it is 4 centimeter, which is showing 2 kilometer, and then remaining 2 millimeter is 100 meters. So this 100 meter I have added in that, and I got the distance between Jovel and Erniwada through the cart track, that is 2 kilometer and 100 meters. Then we were to say in D question the direction of the main river. What is the flowing of the direction of the main river? We see the main river is there and direction is shown. After carefully observing the height, as you know, water always flow from higher to lower level. That's why the direction is east to west, or only west you are writing, that is also correct. Second part, on which bank of the main river? On which bank of the main river? It is situated. On the right bank of the main river, that village is situated. Okay, so that was the answer. Then we have E answer here. Well irrigation in southeast area is important because many lined well are found there. Main source of irrigation is lined well. So that's what we have done for E first part. E second, because of sandy soil and due to disappearing stream, that is parallel stream. How we find that this river is not joining to the main river? Because we see sandy soil is there and the river is of black color, and this is disappearing stream, or we can call them parallel stream. Then for F answer, a ridge is shown in the grid square 9473 by contour. By observing the contour, we understand it as a ridge contour. So I have said that it is a ridge. F second, a blue dot symbolizes a line well. So 4R represent the depth of the line well, which is 4 meters below the sea, below the ground level. Okay, this is what it's a 4R shows here. I hope it's clear for you all. Then we have G first. G first is saying in the grid square 9576 and 9774, there are two settlement patterns are shown, and we have to differentiate them. After observing carefully in 9576, when you will put your finger in this grid, you will see nucleated settlement pattern. How I said? Because all the houses are in clustered form. They are coming together and they are grouped together. Then huts are clustered there in that. And while observing 9774, we have seen it is disappeared, dispersed settlement. Dispersed means you will see the huts. One is here, one is there. There is a lot of distance between them. Patterns show the huts are far apart from each other. Then we have seen G second answer. In the grid square 9574, we have noticed radial drainage pattern. Radial, because you can see the streams are radiating from a height. A contour is being shown of a ridge, and from that it is radiating in all the directions. So that is radial drainage pattern. While in the grid square 9382, we noticed this dendritic drainage pattern. Then similarly H1, the compass direction, we have kept our compass. It is asked compass direction of village Anthroli from the village Sangla. So we have kept our compass, or we have kept our, we draw a rough compass by our hand on village Sangla, and we have found that the direction of Anthroli is northeast. It's moving between north and east, so between north and east is northeast. That is what we have come to know about the direction. Then the most important settlement shown on the map extract is what? It is Chitrasani. How it become important? The reason is that this village is linked to the Western Railway and also to a metal road. Metal road is also there on one side, and other side you can see Western Railway symbol is there. That's what this is the important settlement, because it can link to other cities also easily. That's what it become important. I first, one man-made feature in the grid square 9473. What it is? It is temple. Then you will keep your finger in the grid square. You will see it is temple, and one of the natural feature is ridge. The contour lines are showing it is a ridge. Ridge is made by nature only, so it's a natural feature. The feature given in the black curved lines in the grid square 9679, when you will observe them, and you will see the key. It is broken ground. What it is? It is broken ground. Okay. Now let us see, dear students. We have first part of J. What are the two modes of transport have been asked? Two modes of transport used in the given map extract are roadways and railways. Why roadways? You see, there are metal road as well as so many car track also there, and some pack track also there. So usually the people are traveling by this roads, pathways are there. Okay, so roads are there, and railway line also we have seen. So people can also go by railways. These are two important modes of transport. Now second part is asked, what is the general occupation in the southeast area of the map extract? Agriculture. Sometime it can be asked the main, so I have make it put the word main also here. Agriculture is the main or general occupation of the people living in southeast area of the map extract. Why? The reasons are following. Why? First reason is, we know yellow color is there representing agriculture. We know, after studying the color code, we have come to know that it is shown by yellow color is showing agriculture. So people are engaged in agriculture there. Then presence of blue spot. Presence of blue spot show that the perennial lined well which is used for irrigation purpose. So like this, you have completed. You will be completing, I hope so. And many of you, those who have completed, please say. Nobody have said in the comment box I have gone through. Nobody was able to solve. So if you are finding it little difficult, let me know. Comment and ask what difficulty you are having, why you are not able to do it. So whatever problems are there, I will solve for you. I feel it very easy, and I hope few students, those who are responding in between, they are also doing it. Be active, dear student. Soon lockdown will be over and we will meet soon. Okay. Here, after completing our topographic solution, we come on chapter 9. I have already shown you many slides based on this chapter 9 soil resource. Still, you observe the syllabus in your book. What is the syllabus here? Soil resources, types of soil. We have to study alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and red soil, their distribution, their composition, characteristics, and such as color, texture, mineral, and crops associated to soil erosion, causes, prevention, and conservation. So all this we have to study. This is our syllabus, and based on that only in board exams question will be asked. I hope you all have read. Still, once again, for your convenience, let me tell you and let me read for you so that you can understand what is present in the chapter after the knowledge gained through the slides. Slides I have shown you last week. Let us see. Soil forms the topmost layer of the earth. Earth's land surface. It is the thin layer of loose mixture of small rock particles and rotting organic matter that covers much of the land. It supports all the forest, grassland, crops, from which all the living creature and on earth derive their food. So that is what soil is. Various forces of nature, such as changing temperature, running water, wind, affect the formation of the soil. These forces of nature, along with the chemical and organic changes that take place in the soil, contribute to the evolution of the soil. The soil itself has evolved over millions of years. Faulty agriculture practices, overgrazing, deforestation lead to the soil erosion. Improved agriculture practices reduce the pressure of grazing, and afforestation can help the conservation of soil. So, all this is your basic knowledge. I hope you understood. Constituent of soil. What are constituent of soil? That let us see. Soil is derived. Soil is derived from the parent rock material through a process of breakup or wear and tear. Decomposed vegetal and animal remains, referred to as humus, is an important constituent of soil and adds to the fertility of the soil. Beside humus, silica, clay, sand, and other constituents of soil. Let us see soil fertility. How soil fertility is important. Dear students, soil fertility refers to the strength of the soil to support plant life. Fertile soil has the following characteristics. It contains adequate amount of moisture to supply essential nutrients to plants. It has sufficient depth to enable the plants to grow their roots as per their requirement. Then it is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are necessary for basic plant nourishment. It contains organic matter that improves the structure of soil. Soil fertility can be improved by adding fertilizers to the soil to make up for the missing nutrients. Soil classification. According to its location, soil can be categorized as residual or sedimentary soil. What is residual and sedimentary soil? Let's see. Almost all soil are formed in situ. In situ. That is, they are formed in their original position. By breaking up the parent rock, they include black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, etc. Then transported soil is there. These soil are ex situ, that is, transported by various agents of erosion and constant of sediments carried and deposited by rivers and winds, hence they do not have a well-defined soil profile. India is a vast region with varied natural environment. We find several physiographic regions and different types of climate. Therefore, a number of soil types have developed here. The soil of India are classified on the basis of their origin and formation as follows. Now we will be seeing two soil today and remaining later. First of all, let us see alluvial soil. What is alluvial soil? These soil are formed by the sediments brought down by the rivers. They are also rich in chemical ingredients the river deposit. Very fine particles of the soil called alluvium in their plains during the course of their long journey. Alluvial soil is also known as riverine, that is river soil, coming from the rivers. River soil because mainly found in the river basin. It is a mixture of sand, clay, and silt called loam. These have been deposited by three important river systems, that is Indus river system, Ganga river system, and Brahmaputra river system that I have already shown you. These soil occupy 40% of the land area. The entire northern plains are made up of these soil. These soil are also predominant in coastal plains and deltas, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri rivers. On the basis of its age, the alluvial soil is of two types, that is Bhangar and Khadar. The Bhangar or the older alluvium is composed of the lime, nodules, or kankar and has clay composition. The Khadar is light in color and composed of new deposit. Khadar is more fertile than Bhangar soil as new layers deposited year after year during the monsoon flood. Crops can be grown on old alluvial soil by using manure. They form the largest and most important group as they contribute the largest share to the agricultural wealth of India. Distribution. Inland alluvium. The soil are found on the plains of the Indus and the Ganga. So before just beginning inland alluvium, I would like to tell you this Bhangar soil and Khadar soil. This differentiate between is there. So you write them. Okay. You have to write this box in your homework, in your notebook. Okay, all of you. So that is there. Now let us see. We were on inland alluvium. These soil are found on the plains of the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra rivers, extending from Punjab and Sindh, Pakistan, to Bangladesh and Assam, India. Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal have alluvial soil. This type of soil also covers a part of Gujarat and a few patches in Rajasthan. Deltaic alluvium. The deltaic alluvium is found in the deltas of the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri rivers. Coastal alluvium. It is the tidal origin. It is found in the coastal strip of the peninsular India. It is also found in the plains of Gujarat. Characteristics of alluvial soil. It is formed by the deposition of the river load as if flows from the upper to its lower course. In the upper reaches of the river valleys near the places of their origin, the soil is coarse. Coarse, you can say rough surface. Soil particles are large and non-uniform. Such soil is predominant in the Piedmont plains near the foot of the mountain. As we move further down the river valley, the soil particles become smaller and more uniform. They are found up to a depth of 500 meters. The alluvial soil of the upper Ganga valley is dry, porous, sandy, faint yellow, and consists of clay and organic matter, while the soil of the lower Ganga valley, West Bengal, and Bangladesh is more compact and less coarse, therefore easily tillable. It is a fertile soil and it is rich in mineral, especially potash and lime. We have here now 6 characteristics. It is deficient in nitrogen and humus, except the alluvium of the Ganga deltaic region, which is rich in humus. It is suitable for the growth of the large variety of rabi and kharif crops. Soil in the drier areas is more alkaline. What are the crops grown in the alluvial soil? Let us see. Crops grown in the alluvial soil is fertile, suitable for cultivation of rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, gram, and oilseed. In the lower Ganga Brahmaputra valley, it is useful for the jute cultivation as well. Second soil, we have black soil. This soil is black in color, is also known as regular soil or black or cotton soil. Okay, so alluvial soil is very very important. Go through it and solve answers related to that, and then we will come on black soil and we will solve that answer also. It is dark in color and is suitable for cotton cultivation. This soil is residual. Underline which cultivation? Cotton cultivation. Black soil is related to cotton cultivation. The soil is residual soil, that is, it is formed at the place of its origin over the underlying rocks. Since it is formed by the denudation of the volcanic rocks, it is known as lava soil. Distribution. The regular soil are concentrated over the Deccan lava tract, which include the parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and some parts of Tamil Nadu. Characteristics of the regular, that is black soil. It is fine textured. Fine textured means not so much rough, and clay in nature. It has high quantities of lime, iron, magnesium, generally poor percentage of phosphorus, nitrogen, and organic matter. It is black in color. It is formed from weathered lava rocks. Okay. Now fourth characteristics. It is very clay, that is up to 50% clay content, and therefore highly retentive of water. Retentive means can hold very easily more water. Because of high clay content, the soil expand when wet and become difficult to plow. During dry season, the black soil shrink and develop big cracks, which helps in air circulation. The soil is very fertile in most of the places. Then we have more other characteristics. It is suitable for the cultivation of cotton, jowar, wheat, sugarcane, linseed, and gram. In any season, it has moisture stored in its subsoil. Let us see what are the crops. Beside cotton cultivation, this soil is suitable for growing cereals, oil seeds, citrus fruit, vegetables, tobacco, and sugarcane. Underline all this, you have to learn. The moisture retentiveness of black soil make it suitable for dry farming also. So that's what for two soil we have studied today. Remaining we'll study in our next class, red soil. Till then, keep learning and keep your mind window with wisdom, full of wisdom. Find answers related to this two soil. I hope previous lesson also all have completed. If you have not completed, it's very bad. Use time and complete. The thing you can do, it's now only. Now is the best time. Don't postpone on future. Tomorrow never comes. Okay. So I need notebooks on time. Goodbye.